it to the beat. She can make you feel way up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Mirror pleaser. In love with the new me. From cutie to true beauty. I'm about to do it. You ain't never been touched. You ain't never been. Till you've been touched by the phone.
It's about time. I know. Here it is, an updated eyebrow tutorial. Yes, it was about time. I'm taking my spoolie. I done dipped it in my eyebrow soap. I am now laying down these brows, making sure I'm placing the hair in the direction I want the hair to go. Because we're about to start filling in the most important part. We got to fill these brows in with light strokes. I am going in the same direction as my hair. Again, light strokes. Filling in those brows. Making sure it looks natural. Making sure it does not look like a Sharpie. Please, 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 please do not be out here with them Sharpie eyebrows. I beg you. Now we are going to chase. Oh, I said chase. What am I thinking about? Trace them eyebrows with some concealer. Less is more. Do not put a lot of concealer on that brush. You don't have to do this step. If you was neat-handed with filling in your brows, you can kind of, skip this step. But you want to fill in those brows. You want to make sure you blend it in. Use your finger because your finger has all the warmth you need. You're going to do that to the top and the bottom of the brow. Now, this step is done, well, at least I do it before my foundation. So blend, 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 blend. And then you're able to apply the makeup of your choice. And that is it. To see more of these tutorials, I can't talk today. Make sure you subscribe.